You can create a question collection containing selected questions you want your students to answer. To create a question collection, click the Create Question Collection link and name your collection. Click Create. As you review questions, you'll see that each question has a checkbox. You can select one question or multiple questions in the filtered results by clicking on the questions checkbox. If you want to select all of the questions in the filtered result, you can check the box in the upper left corner, which checks the box in all of the questions, or clears all of the checks to deselect all of the questions. Once you have checked the boxes of all the questions you want for a collection, click on the Add to Collection button, located at the upper right of the filtered results. Clicking on this button gives you the choice to add the selected questions to an existing question collection or a newly created collection. If you would like to see a draft list of the questions before submitting them to a question collection, then click on the Selected Questions link. You'll see a number in the link that represents the number of questions you have checked at this point for preview. Once you've clicked on the Selected Questions link, you'll see a list of all of the questions you checked. You can click on the Add to Collection button, where you can add the questions to a new or existing question collection. You can also remove any questions in your preview list by clicking on the Remove button in the question you would like to remove. If you click on the Go Back button after removing a question, then that removed question will no longer have a check mark in its checkbox. In other words, it has been deselected in your filtered results. Clicking on the Go Back button also allows you to see your original filtered results. You can use the same filtered results or further filter them to add more questions to your selected questions. If you want to start over with your selected questions, you can clear all of the selected questions in your filtered results, or click on the Reset Library Display link at the top of the library filters.